everyone! Welcome back to Foodie Flicks. Today, we're going to make a delicious and refreshing sweet lassi. It's perfect for cooling down on a hot day. Let's get started. First, we'll need a cup of sour curd. You can use sweet or whole sour curd if you prefer. It's all up to your taste. Next, we'll add sugar. The amount is completely up to you. Then, we add whole milk. This helps make our lassi creamy and smooth. A pinch of salt goes in next. You can use your preferred type of salt. This adds a nice balance to the sweetness. Now, we keep stirring until everything is well mixed and smooth. Once it's all mixed, it's time to serve. Pour the lassi into glasses. For a bit of variety, you can garnish it differently. In one glass, I'm adding some chopped almonds and pistachio. They add a nice crunch and a bit of extra flavor. And in another glass, I'm adding ice cubes. This is perfect if you want a really chill drink, especially on a warm day. And there you have it, sweet lassi served two ways. It's easy to make and absolutely delightful. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Foodie Flicks for more delicious recipes. Enjoy your sweet lassi and see you next time.